car guy. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Firebirds and 750 ILs and old classic Mercedes and convertible roadsters and V8 Cougars and just a beautiful day. And this little girly E36 convertible cabriolet, cool car, really clean car, bright red, my favorite color of a Beamer. But we're gonna actually do a little bit of detailing today and cleaning up stuff. It's been like this here for a while, charging. So I'm gonna take this off and hope that we've got a good charge on it now. Now actually Katrina and Lily are here, and actually I've got a new one over here, a new Mercedes. But Katrina, my woman, is partners on this Mercedes over here and this. And her and Lily will be doing detailing with me. What's up? Thank you, baby. I'll get that. It's a wire. Wow.
Yeah?
You go, baby. You can put them on top of it. You can put all that stuff on top of that box. There's my power washer. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna get set up and click this on in a minute. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get the underneath here. Maybe. I'm not gonna shoot it. Don't worry, come here, I want you to see. Come look at it. Come right here. I'm not gonna put no water, we're just looking. Come here. You can look too. Get under here and look. You see all the oil? You see all the oil up there? Come really close like I am. We're gonna get all that cleaned off. All that oil up there. And all the dust up in here. We're gonna make it look as new as we can. Perfect, one more like that. Perfect. Arm's getting swollen. No, I got it. Sorry. Okay, now we gotta let it dry out. Lily! Here. Go ahead. Just keep it pulled. You get a picture. Your mom's gonna take a picture. Get it pulled. Let's go around the back. Good job. I'll get the front. Come here, Lily, watch the color. You see this? See how it's all faded? Pretty cool, huh? Okay, I want to get a picture of the before and show you the after. And you can just see the line I'm doing right on it. So Lily is here and she is washing the Beamer. We are doing it. I'm going to try and take a picture. Everything but the roof. Yeah, the window too. You're basically washing the whole car, you know what I mean? She's just having fun and learning. Know what happened? It's an engine and it quit running. What do you think the most likely thing is? Because now we can't wash no cars. Come on, you know. Gas! Gas! Well, we got to put gas in it, and then we can do more washing. Yeah, the car's running. Gasolini, gasolini, gasolini. Water blade. Watch. You can. Hang on, let me get to the other side. What way this side's done. Oops. Kind of got you there. Okay. Let me get the back. We'll go back around this way. And you can do that side. You can't let your mom catch up.
She will get the $1,000.
Ding, 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 ding. There's a prize now? I didn't know that. I'll work harder. Are you supplying the prize?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. $1,000 prize, baby. Lily supplying it. Okay, keep it straight and just go like this. Let it do it for you. You'll just glide right over. Okay? Do it. And that's it. But you gotta pay attention now, like up here, let me get this. Pay attention and start here and go all the way down, all the way to the seam. That's where you get all the water. So start there. Perfect. Perfect. Well, it doesn't get no better than that. Awesome. How about the bottom part? Can you start right here and do this?
Yes, fine.
And looks about right to me. Hey, how you doing? When did you start working here? Hey, how you doing? Okay, that's that. Almost done.
Next time, I want to make a video of challenge.
A video challenge to wash your parents' car. That would be cool for a kid to make a challenge.
But 1 second.
But 1 second.
It's going to be part of the board game.
Of the board game? You're going to make a board game too?
Yes.
Holy smokes.